Mobile check deposit is a quick and easy way to put funds into your account. Start by downloading the Client Access app on your phone or tablet. Sign in with your username and password. You may have to answer a security question. Once you're in the app, tap the menu and choose Deposit Checks. After you agree to terms and conditions, choose the account for the deposit, then hit OK at the top left. Enter the amount. Make sure the check is endorsed, write "For deposit only" on it, and the account number below that. Then take a photo of the front and back of the check. It works best to put the check on a dark surface that is well lit. Then click Make Deposit. You'll see a confirmation and get a confirmation email too. Having trouble? We're here to help. Just give us a call.